Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the Charlotte Tilbury showroom, which is located in the Grand Avenues Mall, Kuwait. I wanted to purchase some items, so I directly went to the showroom. And if you are living in Kuwait, Charlotte Tilbury showroom is located in the Grand Avenues Mall. So please take a note of that. I asked them that if they could assign me a person separately so that I would be able to get through all the products and the details about their magic cream and the serum and their hottest selling products and etc. And they were kind enough to assign me a person, and they assigned me this beauty who was so kind to me. She just gave me all the details about the Charlotte Tilbury products. I was really thankful to her. Thank you so much, my darling.
Hello, Charlotte Tilbury. I want to talk about the magic cream. Actually, this is like a #1 moisturize, and they have a award-winning for moisturizing. The magic cream had the bionic peptide, which is the strongest anti-aging you can find in any product in the market. So yeah, and they have also vitamin E and C, and it's really nice to have it, especially if you have a dry skin. Actually, it's all about all type of skin, but for dry skin, it will be like really love it. And the magic cream can get into formula. We have the magic cream light, which is suitable more for the oily skin. And remember, all the skin type need to moisturize.
So shall we next move to the bestsellers of Charlotte Tilbury?
The bestseller of Charlotte Tilbury?
Yeah.
Actually, like a lot of stuff.
I think this is for the new launch, right?
Yes, this is
yes,
a new
please
launch
tell
for
me about that.
And I wanted to brief you about our new foundation. It's light to medium cover, and we consider it as a skincare in formula for foundation, because they have a hyaluronic acid, which is really give you the moisture for your skin, and they have a rose complex. They will give you plump and immunize your skin, and they have like really a lot of ingredients that really good and benefit. And for the oily skin, don't worry, they have Bex Active, which is control the oil, so you really love it.
Best thing about it. How about the coverage?
The coverage is light to medium.
Light to medium. Can we build it up?
You can build it up, but if you really try it, it really give you this immunizing, so you will not need it, because it will give you glow.
Okay. Should we need to set this with any powders, or just wearing this alone
you
is
can
enough?
use the powder under the eyes to keep the glowing effect on your whole face.
Okay. What's the stay time, duration? Like how long it's gonna stay in our skin?
It's like medium cover, long lasting,
Okay.
and pollution defense and healthy looking.
Okay. What's the pollution defense?
Diffusion defense open to any kind of dust, sun, and everything that can harm our skin. So this Bex Active and pollution defense, it can protect the skin, and especially if you have open pores, it gives you pimples. So this one, it can make the defense shield for your skin.
Next hottest selling Charlotte Tilbury product.
Next one, after the magic cream, it will be the magic serum. This magic serum, it's really nice. It's a serum. It will be working on the inside layer, so it really benefit for your skin. And the reflexion, they have a reflexion. It's really nice for anti-aging, and they will give you this lifting effect.
Okay.
And it's come with the eye serum also.
Do you have any minis in the magic serum, or just the
Yes,
full?
we have minis
Okay.
magic serums, and they're really nice. Our foundation, full coverage. Another foundation, it's amazing, full coverage, and they have a matte finish. People love it, especially for the oily skin. It's really nice, but it's working for all types of skin.
Okay. So I would love to know about the lipsticks that's hot selling.
Yes, sure. Actually, our hot best selling it's Pillow Talk, and we have like three shades of Pillow Talk Medium, and Pillow Talk Intense. Pillow Talk it's like a pink, like nude pink, and Pillow Talk Medium it's like nude but brownish more, and Intense is like brown.
So which will suit the dusky complexion? Beatish skin, not fair.
Oh,
Which lipstick is gonna suit for them?
medium. Medium is really nice. Actually, it's my favorite.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you can see here. You can see here the difference. The Pillow Talk, it's like for the fair skin, and the Pillow Talk Medium for like a medium skin also, and the Intense, and this one is brownish, so it's really nice for the dark skin.
Okay.
And all our lipstick formula, it's hydrated, so they have a hydrate.
So anything you would like to tell personally about Charlotte Tilbury products?
I want to tell about Charlotte Tilbury makeup. It's every single product they have a story, and this story had inspiration from a lot of places like Egypt, Morocco, Indian even. So they have a story behind this product, and she loves to have this glowing skin and clean skin. So yeah, this is like a story of Charlotte. For Magic Cream, we have a story, and really in celebration story that she make it in her home, and she used to apply for the supermodel and artist all the time. So they all ask, what you did to our face, what you're putting. So finally, after 5 years in making, she introduced the Magic Cream to the world. And
5
actually,
years.
from 2 weeks ago, Magic Cream it's on Burj Khalifa as the #1 moisturizer in the world.
Yeah, I saw that but the Burj Khalifa it was
Yes.
showcasing. That's
It's
really a
very
proud moment.
amazing, yes.
Yes, that's I too saw that, I know. It's really a proud moment for Charlotte Tilbury.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I was really mesmerized by looking at the showroom's decoration. Can you see this? It was like all bling everywhere. It was so unique, it was so different, and it was full of lights everywhere. And I felt like I was standing in the middle of a modern palace. This is the showroom entrance, and the very front they have kept their hottest selling Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. They have kept all the products that Charlotte Tilbury has like a display, but we cannot touch anything because everything was completely sealed and covered. This is because of the Kuwait. They wanted to mainly take care of the customer safety and as well as theirs. The name of the palette and what all the looks we can create out of that palette, also the cost of that, and everything was mentioned over there. Before this COVID, they were completely offering their full service, but after this, they have stopped that. This is mainly to ensure the safety, and it's completely okay, fine. We can understand. So these are all the collections that they have. These are all the lipstick collections. Also, they have the 4-in-1 palette, which is their sculpting and bronzing palette. And this is their award-winning airbrush flawless finish powder, and I got one for myself. There were also minis available in this, so if you don't want the big size one, you can also try the mini one. And this is the airbrush flawless filter foundation. This is quite high in coverage. Also, I purchased this beautiful skin foundation, which is the Charlotte Tilbury's latest launch. Last few days, the Instagram was filled only with these ads. In Charlotte Tilbury's Instagram page, you can see how much people love this foundation, so I definitely wanted to give this a try. There is also an option where you can select your shade online. You just go to the Charlotte Tilbury's Instagram page where there will be a link. A few questions will be asked. If you just answer them correctly, the foundation shade will be mentioned. I just tried it once and my foundation shade, what it showed is was number 8. But to my surprise, when I directly went to the showroom and tried it, number 8 was the exact match for me. That was really nice. So you guys, you can try that out. Also, very soon I will try to upload the foundation check video in my channel, like how I felt using that, how it looked on my skin and everything. So don't forget to check it out. Here comes the most interesting part, where one woman in 10 different looks. In each look you can see a complete difference. That's what the Charlotte Tilbury's products can do if applied properly and correctly. Can you just see for yourself that in every look the girl looks entirely different and looks like a new woman? That's interesting. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury's perfume, which you can use for body and even hair. It smells so good, but they said that this will discontinue after a while. I really don't know. This is the Charlotte Tilbury skin care section. So my dear friends, I have showed you the entire showroom, what are the products they have, and I really thank the showroom people. Thank you so much for giving me this freedom to shoot all the products. I really spent, I think, 1 hour entirely. I was shooting everything, and thank you so much for the lady. She was so kind enough to give me the details of the products. Thank you so much, people. If you are living in Kuwait, do visit the showroom. They can really help you in choosing the right products for you. I hope this video will be really useful for you, my dear friends. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also take a look at all other videos in my channel. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel and show your love and support for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be meeting you soon in my next interesting video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.